Hello and welcome. गेड़ी मारो में एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है. My name is Sid on City 1016 at the most listened to radio station in the UAE, and with me is Shivam from the Cornea Impression.
Hello, how are you?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ. How are you?
I am recovering
Why?
because I sprained my back.
How?
I was chasing my friend's son around his house and then I carried him,
हाँ.
turned him upside down
And
and I sprained my back. Because
Bas.
after that he ran under the table and I chased him under the table as well. Realizing I am not young enough. भाई 3 हफ्ते हो
टेबल
गए.
के नीचे से सिर्फ एक ही जना बाहर निकला. That
मैं-
wasn't you.
हाँ, वो बच्चा बेचारा आराम से खुशी खुशी निकला था, मेरे पे हंस रहा था कि देख बुढ़ऊ तू मुझे परेशान करेगा.
Oh, how are you feeling now?
3 weeks and counting, 80% recovered. Still
शाबाश.
not able to drive.
Ah.
I have Mansoor to drive me around.
अरे वाह, मानिक भाई.
तो
He is a producer. उसका नाम M से शुरू होता है, so we never remember which one.
तो anyways, we are. I am not driving cars at the moment.
Okay, but you are definitely on the radar. You are definitely keeping everything updated
Obviously.
on the Cornea Impression.
Yes,
So
100%.
what is happening with Bentley?
So Bentley, few years ago, actually 2 years ago, they launched the new Continental GT,
हाँ.
which has a twin turbo V8 hybrid.
Okay.
First time a hybrid powertrain in a Bentley car.
Okay.
And it's not a fully new car, it's a facelift.
Okay.
They made new headlights, which were obviously a bit controversial because they have but they have this strike through kind of eyebrow on top,
हाँ. Okay.
which makes it look very unique, I would say.
Okay. It stands out.
It stands out.
Okay.
So all of that treatment has now been given to the new Flying Spur.
Okay.
It's been updated with the new powertrain, so on and so forth. This is the push towards Bentley's full EV strategy.
Okay.
And they are moving in that direction. Obviously, that has been postponed because of government regulations, but eventually they want to go all electric.
Okay. Okay. How does it look?
I think it looks cool.
Okay.
It looks cool. It definitely is distinguished. It looks Bentley.
It looks Bentley.
It looks Bentley,
Okay.
which is what I can say is more than other brands at this point of time.
We will get to that. Okay. Now going from the Bentley towards the Americans.
So the Americans have made a complete reverse, right? Even they were going towards electrification and all of that stuff, right?
हाँ, उसके बाद में वो जाके फोर्ड का तो GM है, उसने जाके चाइना में देखा कि ये लोग कैसे गाड़ियाँ बना रहे हैं, and they were like, we cannot compete with BYDs and the Chinese market and the Chinese companies, so thank you very much.
They cannot.
No.
And they, I guess, will find it very difficult to push in the EV segment unless and until they figure their production out.
Yeah,
But they have gone and started doing V8s again, which they are good at.
which I'm loving.
And Ram announced new V8 pickup trucks.
Like it.
What are they called? Rumblebee.
Rumblebee street trucks.
Wow.
Ah.
And what is going on in that, since you have the specs in
Okay,
front
so
of
I
you?
have the specs right here. It's V8 engines, 395 horsepower, 5.7 liter, 470 HP, 6.4 liter का भी है, which makes the 777 HP supercharged 6.2 के साथ में also.
Wow.
So they have three ranges, three distinct V8 engines.
So they used to have the TRX, the
Correct.
RHO, and the Rebel. I think they have changed all of that branding strategy now to make it what? Only Rebel B? Is that what is going to go with?
But हाँ.
हाँ, नहीं बोलो.
So after these guys have gone back with the V8s, there is another company, again American, GMC, और उनका जो version था उन्होंने Hummer का जो निकाला था,
हाँ.
they've taken out another smaller version,
Of the Hummer EV.
Hummer EV.
Okay.
It's called the Shrunken EV, Shrunken Hummer,
Okay.
and it is basically going directly against the Jeep.
Okay.
They are calling it the Jeep killer. Wrangler and Gladiator and all of those things. So
Okay.
they are making it like a pickup as well.
Okay.
Smaller than the Hummer. And an SUV size में smaller than the Hummer. Jeep के size का वो लोग बना
So
रहे हैं.
basically जब Hummer निकली थी, not the H1, H2 and H3 निकली थी.
Yeah.
So pretty much something on those lines.
Pretty much something on those lines. And they also showcased it
Okay.
at one of their launches.
Okay.
And the interesting thing is कि वो लोग बोल रहे हैं हम लोग प्रोडक्शन में जा ही नहीं रहे इसके लिए.
तो क्या कर रहे हैं? अचार डाल रहे हैं?
सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए हमने बनाई है, कुछ नहीं और करने वाले हैं.
I think they are gauging market interest. The H2, well, not the H2, the Hummer EV has met with lukewarm success.
Correct.
And even though it's a very cool car,
It is.
it's a very cool car.
Yeah.
It's met with lukewarm success in the market. And that's not because the product is bad, it's just how the market is at the moment.
Yeah.
But I think eventually we will be seeing a lot more EV adaptation across the world. It will be different.
It will be.
The
And
pace will be different. Sorry, yeah.
I was just thinking that this is where the Chinese are like hitting the nail on the head. They are making and they are delivering also because of the cost factor, the production value जो उनको मिलती है, it's pretty low. तो उसके अंदर they internally in China they have a huge population.
Yes.
जिनको they can cater पहले ही before showing it to the world.
Correct.
So उस केस के अंदर I think that is where the other countries are just lagging behind.
So see, look at the demographics of it, right? Or look at the socio-economic situation. 1.1 or 1 billion people in China.
Correct.
The largest importer of oil on earth today. They obviously need oil for jet aviation, for cars, for power generation, so on and so forth, right?
Correct.
Now, this is a big cost to the country. And any country that's importing energy, it's a big cost to them,
Of course.
right? How can they move away from this? Solar panels are easy to adapt. Wind farms are easy to adapt. China is the world's largest player in making solar panels.
Correct.
Okay, so they can adapt into solar energy very quickly, some nuclear energy as well. So they are moving towards more, I would say, recyclable or renewable energy day by day.
Yeah.
That's going on. They own 45% of rare earth mineral mines across the world. That means battery supply is easy for them to make.
सबको दे सकते हैं वो.
Correct. They also own 85% of the rare earth minerals refining capability in the whole world.
Correct.
So they are the foremost rare earth minerals refiner, which is then used to make the batteries. So automatically their entire infrastructure is geared for electrification.
True.
And not for petrol or ICE production.
And that has been a smart move from their end.
Correct.
Through the years, I would say it's not just abhi hua hai ye because of the current situation. It has been in their mind since the longest time.
Correct. So it's not only just making cars, right? Batteries go into making appliances, making technology, gadgets, so on and so forth, right?
Semiconductors.
Everything. So building that technology, building the semiconductor technology still comes from Taiwan and South Korea
And they have
and
Taiwan.
Japan. So by maar padegi. But point being is that they are positioned in a way where they can use all of this to their advantage.
Of course.
So hence what they do is they build the cars, they build the EV technology and they sell it locally. Now the EV cars sold within China are different from the EV cars we get across the world. They're slightly different. In fact, the ones in China are apparently more advanced than the ones we get over here.
Yes, they are.
We get one generation older cars.
They are. The kind of tech that I see in China
Yeah.
and the kind of tech that I've witnessed in China, it has been like an eye opener.
Right.
हम लोग अभी तक we're just happy with just the ADAS functions on the
Right.
steering wheel. Out there, they are actually on road and they are having almost, I would say, level 4 of fully autonomous driving cars on the road.
Wow.
On the road, on the main roads in front, आपके गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं and लोग pedestrians are crossing and the cars are making the proper, left and right turns and all those, taking care of those precautions that they need to.
So this week you drove
The TIE 7.
the BYD TIE 7, correct? Yash also was there with you.
Correct.
And he was telling me that the car was very impressive.
It is.
Yeah.
It is very impressive. I was really happy to see the kind of, the interiors. It felt posh. It felt luxurious sitting inside and at a price point of 150,000
Dirhams. That's not bad at all.
It is amazing and the kind of stuff that you're getting in the car, it is mind-blowing.
यार ऑन द वे यार मैं अभी आ रहा था एंड हमारे बाजू से एक वैन गई MPV XPeng X9
Yeah.
it looks fabulous. I was like, boss, ये क्या है? मेरे को
Yeah.
फोटो लेने का है इसका.
These are the same guys who are making drones though.
Imagine, yeah, exactly. I was like telling Mansoor कि भाई बाजू में ले, मेरे को फोटो लेने का गाड़ी का.
It's brilliant. It's just brilliant.
It looks damn good. I'm like, the design language is superb here.
And same at the BYD event. So these guys were like, we've doubled our sales from last year, this year
Okay.
already.
हाँ.
And as many cars as you want, our stocks are there. We don't have a problem. I'm just thinking,
I am not commenting on that. I mean, there is.
I mean, there is.
You know why they can bring it in.
Of course they can.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, in terms of China making sure that the products are available, having it tested in their markets,
Yeah.
making sure whatever needs to be done, and they've upped the game for everybody across the board.
Correct. Now, yes, they are definitely moving onwards and forwards.
Yeah.
ठीक है, they're building new stuff. They're pricing it aggressively. There's a lot of back and forth on this. We can have a whole separate, not episodes, not one episode, episodes on this discussion.
Absolutely.
But I still think eventually they will be priced at the same price as their competitors. This is what my take on it is.
So they are going to go the Reliance way. पहले हम सस्ता करके
हाँ,
आपको
वो,
एकदम चखा देंगे. आप सब कुछ देख लो, सब कुछ कर लो. जियो आपको फ्री मिलेगा.
और फिर बिल आ जाता है आपको.
फिर 1 साल के बाद में.
हाँ, but basically वो होने वाला है. But talking about EVs and new cars, we have had 2 new cars launched over the past few weeks.
Yes, sir.
One that was extremely controversial. Okay.
One, I think, okay.
And one which was not so well received by the market.
So the one which was extremely controversial, I think.
Those that will not. क्या वो हैरी पॉटर का कौन सा डायलॉग है? That will who he will not be named.
That who shall not be named.
हाँ बस वही we'll go ahead with that only.
Okay. So yeah. So that particular car, I think उसने overshadow कर लिया the first launch.
हाँ.
पहले जब first launch हुआ, which was the AMG.
नहीं, एक काम करते हैं, नाम नहीं बताते.
अच्छा.
आप गेस करो.
The German one.
नहीं वो कोई नाम नहीं होता. एक है जो थोड़ा मच्छी की तरह दिखती है.
The one which is currently on pole position on Formula 1.
तो हाँ, तो आप गेस कर लो हम कौन सी गाड़ी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, 2 गाड़ियां हैं, आप गेस कर लो कौन सी है. ठीक है.
It was very well received. और जैसी दूसरी वाली आई,
नहीं, it was not very well received. It was 50-50.
Correct, which is what I'm saying. It was very well received.
Very well. अच्छा, वैसे sarcastic वाला.
Yeah. And then the second one came, which just overshadowed the first one. And I'm thinking the first one was happy.
हाँ.
Second वाली आई,
इसने बचा लिया.
थोड़ा सा people took me off the radar.
ये बात सही है. So see the first one. उनके पास में ना एक प्रोटोटाइप था कुछ साल पहले जो उन्होंने निकाला था.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो प्रोटोटाइप वाज फेयरली ओके लुकिंग. Fairly okay looking.
Okay, so it is a 4-door.
It's a 4-door. हाँ.
Right, sedan.
हाँ,
High
sedan.
performance EV.
हाँ.
And it has an 800 volt battery. Okay,
हाँ,
let's
800 volt architecture.
Yes, across.
हाँ.
Okay,
ठीक
fast
है,
charging.
Fast charging also.
Ultra fast charging and
ठीक
all
है.
of those things. Yes.
उसकी जो प्रोटोटाइप थी ठीक ठाक लगती थी.
हाँ.
They could have done better.
Yes.
तो ये लोग इम्प्रूव करने के बजाय
उसका एक छोटा वर्जन ले.
नहीं, छोटा वर्जन एक लेवल नीचे ही आ गए. मतलब B+ से आप D पहुंच गए हो. तो इन्होंने बड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी उस मामले में.
Okay.
ठीक है. एंड देन जो दूसरा भाई है हमारा, उससे तो यार
लाल वाले
चक दे पट्टे कर दिया. No, but
dude.
No, but there is I actually wrote a whole like 1,000-word article on this.
I also wrote a lot of articles on this.
No, I published also.
I also went online and I also said what I had to say. तेरा article बता.
नहीं. Okay, so today अगर गाड़ी निकालनी है, अगर आपको गाड़ी आज निकालनी है, आपको कम से कम 5 साल चाहिए उसको डेवलप करने के लिए.
Correct.
So you have to go 5 years back. You have to then, when you start developing, you have to future predict technology, rules and regulations, global economy,
Right.
global demand and global design language.
Correct.
You are predicting at least 5 of these things. ठीक है. 5 साल में क्या होता है आजकल किसी को पता नहीं है.
1 साल में क्या होता है मालूम नहीं.
2 महीने में क्या हुआ हमें पता नहीं चला. तो फॉर दैट ब्रांड टू प्रोड्यूस दैट कार,
Which brand is this? I want to know.
गेस करे ना, पब्लिक को गेस करेंगे ना, वही तो.
अच्छा, we still try going ahead with that. Okay. हाँ.
भाई तुम्हारा रील बना दिया मैंने यार ऐसे ही.
अरे वही लुच्चे.
तुम लुच्चे लफंगे हो यार.
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा लुच्चा है.
हाँ, तो anyways, to produce that product, they have to do the R&D. They have to follow the rules and regulations. They are based in Europe, so उनके rules and regulations पहले लागू होते हैं. जो उनका इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन रूल था पहले 2020 था, फिर 2025 था, फिर 2030 हुआ, फिर 2035, वो एक्सटेंड होते गया. बट इवेंचुअलिटी के हमें इलेक्ट्रिक जाना है वो तो है ही है. एवरी ब्रांड हैज एक्सेप्टेड दैट. थोड़ा आगे, थोड़ा पीछे, थोड़ा कम, थोड़ा ज़्यादा, पर जाना सबको उस तरफ ही है. अभी इनको अगर नया कस्टमर चाहिए डाउन द लाइन, इनकी गाड़ियाँ 13,000 गाड़ियाँ बनती है साल की. इनको 1,000-1,500 गाड़ी उसके अंदर बना के बेचनी है, एडजस्ट करनी है कहीं पे भी. 1,000 लोग तो इनको मिल जाएंगे ग्लोबली. क्योंकि दे नीड अ न्यू यंगर टेक फोकस्ड हिप.
बाप का पैसा वाला.
नहीं, टेक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स काफ़ी हो गए दुनिया में. दे हैव बिकम मल्टी मिलियनर्स. दैट हैज बिकम अ यंगर एज ब्रैकेट. दे वांट टू अडॉप्ट इनटू अ न्यू लाइफस्टाइल, सोशल, इको फ्रेंडली, सस्टेनेबल, सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी, जो भी है आप टर्म डाल दो उसके सामने. उनको वो सब चाहिए, और उनको ब्रांड भी चाहिए, और उनको लग्जरी भी चाहिए. दिस प्रोडक्ट फिट्स परफेक्टली फॉर दैट. ये सब जाके आगे
मेरे को लग रहा है इसके अंदर सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल भी होगा, जिस हिसाब से इतना सब कुछ ये लोग कर रहे हैं फॉर दैट.
भरोसा नहीं, हो भी डाल भी देंगे
कि आप इस सब को एंड यू गेट इट इन द फुल इकोसिस्टम.
भाई आइडिया मत दे सब लोग को.
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग
आगे जाके ये सब इनका टेस्ट बेड हो जाएगा. इनका डिजाइन का R&D हो गया, इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का R&D हो गया, कोई भी सर्विस प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर प्रॉब्लम है, मटेरियलिटी है, जो भी है.
You do understand nobody has a problem with them going EV.
They have a problem with the design.
The problem is with the design.
But the design is done for aerodynamics.
But there can be better design also, is what everybody is saying. And I kind of agree with that.
You know, I'll tell you an example. There was a car which was called a 612 Scaglietti. When it came out, nobody liked it. The design was not appreciated at all.
Okay.
Aaj, people are loving the design. Everyone is running to buy it.
So are you saying that this could be an Andaz Apna Apna? जब रिलीज हुई थी nobody liked it.
और Pulp Fiction.
और आज it's a cult.
Exactly.
So लुच्चे कहीं के.
भाई तुम हमको बैन करवा दोगे तुम ये सब बोल के.
मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग फॉर. कि मे बी डाउन द लाइन 10 years डाउन द लाइन व्हेन दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट मोर palatable.
हाँ.
तो उस केस के अंदर दिस वुड बी.
Yes.
Okay. So
You never know.
that is your overview of
Yes.
this. I was just saying I don't have a problem with the EVs. I don't have a problem with them coming out, going into the electric way. My only problem is you could have done better with the design. That is it. तुमको 500,000 की रखनी है, 600 million की रखनी है, 500 million की रखनी है, I don't care. There is a certain design which you are associated with. That was my only thing. It could have been better. And especially when you have everything. You got the guy who is from... अच्छा मैं बोल देता हूँ. You got the guy who is from Apple, right?
Yeah.
So you could have done a lot more things.
But he's a computer designer. He's made iPhones and iPods. He's designed all of that.
Yeah.
He's designed a computer. What do you expect him to do? He's going to design exactly that.
So are you saying this was the Apple की गाड़ी जो वो वहाँ पे नहीं बना पाया, यहाँ पे बना रहा है?
Pretty much so. I think that is the only way out, I guess.
Apple burned their hands with that $1 billion or something like that with their car. He's just making sure कि यहाँ पे कुछ ना हो ऐसा.
बोला भाई मैंने वहाँ से 1 billion लिया, अभी तेरे से मैं 1 billion और लूँगा. पैसे तो उसके बन गए.
Oh my.
पैसे बन गए उसके.
Okay. So let us know which one are we talking about.
तुमने बता दिया यार सब.
नहीं मैंने नहीं बताया अभी तक कुछ भी. Anyhow, let's talk about this Drift launches. The Uber is doing something really cool in Japan.
Yes, in Japan. They basically decided कि आपको अगर ड्रिफ्टिंग जाना है तो हम आपको Uber भेज देंगे.
We'll pick you up from your place.
पर्पल कलर की.
and we will take you to a racetrack, and वहाँ पे जाके आपको हम लोग drifting भी कराएंगे. It's
Yes.
the which circuit is this one? Mubara Twin Circuit in China.
In China, in
Chiba.
Japan.
Japan. So it's going to be the Mubara Twin Circuit in Chiba, in Japan. जहाँ पे professional drivers, drift drivers, they will be with you, and आप जाएं and enjoy करें Uber drift.
Exactly.
I thought it's
It's
one
a
of the
superb
coolest
idea.
things.
It's a superb idea.
Brilliant.
It's a brilliant idea.
I think Dubai Autodrome should do this.
Dubai Autodrome has a drift track, no? But they don't.
Why not?
They don't necessarily teach drifting over there or show
So
drifting.
there should be one company which ties up with Dubai Autodrome and then have
There
a
used to
drift.
be in Umal Quain. बंद हो गई.
There you go.
Pro Drift Academy or something used to be there.
It's
They
still
used to
there.
they're still there?
Still there, still there.
So they teach drifting, right?
Yeah,
over there.
yeah.
हाँ तो है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ तो UAE में
So
है.
then they should just collaborate and give us money, royalty.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं? खाली बात कर रहे हैं आपके बारे में.
We're giving you ideas, bro. We're just giving you ideas.
हाँ तो क्या हो रहा है Formula 1 के दुनिया में?
Okay, जी, so Formula One के अंदर the couple of big news are coming in. One is Gucci is coming in as a sponsor with the Alpine Formula One
Yes,
team.
I saw that. It actually looks cool. I saw
It
the.
actually is cool.
I saw the. It looks cool. The car looks very unique.
So it's Gucci Racing Alpine Formula One team.
My question is, are you allowed to sign sponsors in the middle of the season
No, so they're not signing it for this season.
for the next season?
They're coming out in the next season.
हाँ तो बेसिकली लुई विटॉन ने मेक श्योर किया कि गुची भी तो खर्चा करेगा क्योंकि हमने तो स्पॉन्सरशिप दे दी है, वो मेन स्पॉन्सर हम है.
Right.
तो गुची की तो आग लग गई यार, मैं कैसे नहीं हूँ इसमें, मुझे भी खर्चा करना है.
Now I want to see even the pit mechanics के अंदर, pit lane के अंदर जो mechanics है ना, they should also be wearing such Gucci clothes.
अरे बट इमेजिन
Overalls.
Yeah, so imagine they will actually sell these Gucci overalls in the store.
Dude, it would be a big thing. Those overalls, वो mechanic पहन के when they come into the pit lane, getting ready, इतना लश्कारे मारेगा, इतना शाइनिंग मारेगा, बाकी सारे के सारे ड्राइवर्स जितने भी आ रहे हैं अंदर सब इधर उधर
मेरे दिमाग में खाली एक सीन चल रहा है. या तो कोई देसी रैपर पंजाबी पहन के आएगा या तो वो देसी ब्लिंग वाले पहन के आएंगे नेटफ्लिक्स के ऊपर.
एपिक होगा वो, एपिक. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी आवर थिंग. ओके. अच्छा, लुइस हैमिल्टन के जो फादर है एंटनी
क्या कर रहा भाई?
he is coming up with his own race series
On
called-
TV.
नहीं, on race series.
अरे अच्छा, not TV
Race
series.
series.
On inside actual
On
racing.
track race series.
Okay.
He's saying कि I'm going to be coming out with the V10 and V8 engines के साथ में
Okay.
racing cars, and it's going to be called the hybrid V10 series.
Are they hybrid powertrains?
Yes.
Okay.
And he is saying I'm going to be launching it somewhere in 28, 29.
Okay.
So I want people to come. I'm looking for sponsors. I'm looking for people. I'm looking for teams. I'm looking for XYZ.
Okay.
Most welcome. Let's start a hybrid V10 series, which
Okay.
I thought was interesting, considering from where Uncle has come and where Uncle is going. And ab Beta is also now on the podium. So he's taken care of the whole scenario.
हाँ पैसा तो है,
Why not?
इन्वेस्ट करेंगे.
I would say और कुछ करो ना करो, मैक्स को इसके अंदर भी ले आओ.
मैक्स नहीं आने वाला है.
जैसे नर्बर्गरिंग के अंदर
Max
वो आया
नहीं आ रहा है.
और उसके बाद में सारे के सारे लोग नर्बर्गरिंग के बारे में बात करने लगे, 24 आवर्स के बारे में बात करने लग गए. वैसे ही यहाँ
Did he win that?
No,
He came third.
he came fifth, I think.
Fifth. His car had a problem, right?
Yes. I think लास्ट के 4 घंटे या 5 घंटे के अंदर he had a problem.
बोला था पोर्शा लेने के लिए, हाँ मर्सिडीज चले गए. ये डालना मत.
But yeah, I thought, I mean, this could be the next one, next good one जहाँ पे
I think it's cool.
Yeah.
I think it's cool. It will be an interesting take, provided done correctly.
that's the thing.
Yeah.
It should not just be done for the heck of doing it.
But there is, I cannot tell the name, but I know for a fact, no, but it's not a racing series, it's a new car. There's a new car coming with a new hybrid system. I cannot take the name yet, but there should be something very cool coming. I think in the next 2-3 months, they will announce it.
Which one? Chimera?
No, I cannot disclose. Legal.
Wow. Okay. ठीक है.
City 1016.